Hello, I can't hear anything. In case you can.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of the live trading session. The meeting starts by 3, so you may not hear anything before 3 p.m., right? So I think we can start now. Can hear now because we're starting now. Let me share my screen. Okay. What a day. Okay, so for how do we begin? For the football fans, let me say congratulations to Liverpool fans. And hard luck, or let me say better time. What do you even say to a Chelsea fan? These are really tough times for a Chelsea fan. Okay, I'll say keep fighting. Yes, Chelsea fans, don't give up. Congratulations, Liverpool fans. Chelsea fans, don't give up. You can do it, right? Don't give up. I think that's an appropriate message for Chelsea fans. And for Man U fans, it is well. Okay, it is well. Who can't say it like that? Yeah, let's look at the dollar index. Okay, it's live session, afternoon session. We get to check what dollar index has done. We know that we had a high impact news by 2:30, but I don't really see so much of an effect in the market. Not really surprised or disappointed. Durable goods order came out by 2:30 today, and it was bad for the dollar, but it did not really cause a lot of movement in the dollar. Like I have always said, out of high impact data, we still have we have some data that are stronger than others. So I believe that consumer confidence that will be coming out by 4 p.m. I think that will have a better impact on the market than this durable goods order that we just had. So for dollar index, let's look at the market and let's look at the chart technically. Yeah, just to give us a clearer chart. This is the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we will notice that the dollar has actually been on some consistent level of fall. Bearish move. The dollar is on a bearish trend right now. After it's broken structure. It's broken this bullish structure that it's built. It's been able to close below this last low, and so it has given us a lower low which has broken structure. Just take a minute to explain that again. Price has been giving us higher low from here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, which is like a bearish trend, right? A bearish trend. And so price broke structure here by closing below the last low. Understand? Price broke structure by closing below the last low. So if it's an uptrend, it should not give us a lower low. It should give us a higher low, but it gave us a lower low. Yeah, so it's broken structure. So that means that it's very possible that we could get this could be like a reversal zone, a reversal point in the market, right? We could get further bearish moves in the market, especially if data continues to come out negative for the dollar, right? But as it stands now, dollar has been ranging. We've not really had very amazing move in the market, but we can tell a downward trend right here like this. You can tell that price has kind of respected this trend line, right? Price has kind of respected this trend line even on the 1 hour. If I put it on 4 hours, you will also see that price has respected this downtrend line. Okay, so it's possible that price may not be able to break this, except if something positive comes up, right? So there's still weakness in the dollar, and we might actually we'll use that information as we look at other dollar pairs. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin with Euro USD. Let's begin with Euro USD. For Euro USD, we've had, like we'll see even on 1 hour here. Okay, this is 15 minutes. Sorry. On 1 hour, we'll see that we've had this bullish of price have been able to trade above this support, this resistance here, and it's now acting as a support. Okay, I feel like that is a good zone from which you can expect price to push up, but we'll also notice that we have a strong resistance on 4 hours. Before we make our final decision, let's even look at what the daily time frame is like. You see, the daily time frame has also broken this bearish structure. So there's bullish structure in the market, there's bullish strength in the market, and so the best position to take while trading Euro USD would be to look out for buys from support zones, right? Look out for buys from support zones. So let's look at where the nearest support is on Euro USD. First of all, how many pips do we have from this resistance here to this zone? We have about 20 pips. So that means that I could be looking out for a buy from here. I could be looking out for a buy. I could have like a buy stop around there from here to this zone here. So I could even have a buy stop from around this 1.08680 zone. I have a buy stop from that 1.08680 zone. Have a buy stop from there, and take profit around. They look out for around 20 pips. From 15 to 20 pips, right, of profit. So if I'm buying from this 1.08680 zone, I can look out for, or let's just say 690 zone. I can look out for 15 to 20 pips of profit, right? So once price gives me 15 pips of profit, I can, just monitor my price or continue to adjust stop loss to put me in a break-even spot, right? And that thing we can do is that we can actually look at if really, we're looking at this bearish move in the market, we're looking at a bullish move, bullish move in the market. This particular zone where Euro USD has found it difficult to break below this zone like this could actually be a good zone for us to look out for a buy on 15 minutes. Okay, because it's like a proven support on 15 minutes could be a good zone for us to look out for a buy on Euro USD. So I could have a buy stop at this point here. I could have a buy limit at this point here also. So I could have my buy limit at around 1.08360. I could have my buy limit at around 1.08360. And if I put my buy limit there, I should be buying to around around 20 pips of profit. So they say around 1.08560 or thereabout. Okay, 1.08560 or thereabout. So I have, considering the fact that we still have Euro USD on a bullish trend, I could actually look out for a buy stop here and then a buy limit around this point. You know, the fact that it's on an uptrend means that I should be looking out for, or the fact that it has broken structure of a downtrend means that I could be looking out for buy opportunities from support zone. So that's why I've looked out for a buy around this place. Okay, I could also look out for a buy around there, even if Euro USD trades to this place. If it trades to this place, I expect it to buy from here back to the upside. So if it doesn't even honor this my buy limit and instead is going down, I'm still waiting for this place to look out for a buy with a higher lot size that can actually hedge this, give me a good profit, for the two. You understand? So personally, I feel like Euro USD like this, has maintained this uptrend, and so I feel like it should do that for this verified resistance. What we'll now see, where we'll now see maybe pause is around here, to see if that trend will be paused. But Euro USD seems to have broken structure, and I should expect a buy. I personally expect a continued buy on Euro USD. Okay, so I have said that for Euro USD, we have a buy at around 1.08680 or 690 with around 15 to 20 pips in mind. Then we also have a buy limit. We have a buy limit at around 1.08360 with another 20 pips also in mind. Okay, so that is Euro USD. Okay, so after Euro USD, let's look at AUD USD. So we kind of have the same thing for even AUD USD, whereby we feel like if there is a retracement in the market, except if the 4 p.m. only the 4 p.m. news could actually maybe give a lot of strength to the dollar. You understand? But I feel like there's a retracement in the market. You can take advantage from AUD USD. You can look out for a buy from, if AUD USD sells down to 0.65220. If it sells down to 0.65220, you can look out for a buy from there back to the upside with around 20 pips in view, at least 20 pips of profit in view. So I can have that. I could also have a buy above this point here. Also have a buy above this point. Say if price trades above 0.655, I can have a buy at around 0.65600. 0.65600. 0.65600. I can buy from there. Take profit at around 0.65740. Just look out for, say, 15 pips of profit. Look out for 15 pips of profit, okay? So I can buy from 0.65600 and look out for 15 pips of profit. Or once price trades down to this zone here, this 0.65 zone, this 0.65220. If it trades to 0.65220, I can actually look out for further buy. If it trades down to 0.65220, I can have a buy limit there with at least 20 pips or thereabout in mind. Okay, that's for AUD USD. That's for AUD USD. So I said I have a buy limit from 0.65220. I could also look out for a buy from 0.65600, looking out for 20 pips of profit. Look out for 20 pips of profit. Okay. Now let's move on from AUD USD. Let's look at USD CHF. I was recently informed, it's not recently though, but there seems to be a correlation between CHF and gold. I'll look into that, but not as much as dollar and gold though. But of course, there's a level of correlation. And you will check on USD CHF on the daily time frame, you can see that we just began that bearish move for CHF. The dollar may be too strong for CHF, but we have bearish tendencies. I really wish that we're able to get this kind of move early enough like this, from this particular support here, get this kind of move, to take advantage of. Right now, USD is currently trading against the support, like it's pushing up against the support. You understand? So from this particular zone where it is trading off like this is a verified, this place is a place where price has been rejected a couple of times, as you see it here on this 1 hour time frame like this. Like, if you trace it backwards, you see that it's not the first time that price is being rejected around here. Although it broke price here and sold, it broke price here and also bought, right? So there is a good tendency that if price breaks this zone, it usually moves very well, and if it doesn't, it moves against. You understand? So what I would look out for on this USD CHF is to come in below this point like this. On USD CHF, I can come in below this point. I can look out for anything that makes USD CHF to sell to sell below 0.87750. If USD CHF sells below 0.87750, 0.87750, I should sell further. Should sell further with at least 15 pips or thereabout in mind. Okay, at least 15 pips or thereabout. This is over 20 pips of move that USD CHF can actually make. Okay. So my point is that we can look out for a sell. If the weakness of USD CHF continues, if the dollar weakness continues, we can look out for a sell from 0.87750. If price sells below 0.87750, we can sell with over 20 pips. We can look out for 20 pips of profit on this particular instrument. Okay. Then another thing we can do is that USD is currently approaching this particular zone to where it has been rejected a couple of times, as you will see. Approaching a zone where it has been rejected a couple of times. So I could also look out for a sell from this point. If USD buys to 0.88200, if USD buys to 0.88200, I can actually look out for a sell from that point. If USD buys to 0.88200, 0.88200, I could actually look out for a sell from that particular zone there with 20 pips in profit. Okay, with 20 pips in profit. Okay, so that is how that's how I will trade USD CHF. First of all, I have a sell from 0.87760 or 750. I have a sell from there, and I'm looking out for 20 pips of profit. Okay, I also have I'll also be looking out for a sell if USD CHF buys to 0.88200. From that 0.88200, can look out for a sell back to the downside. You understand? That's how we're doing it. Let's move on. Let's go to indices. Let's start with US 2000. Okay, US 2000. What I will do for US 2000 is, let's look at it. Sorry, oh, pardon this guy here. Actually testing something here. Okay, but let's continue. If we're looking at USD, US 2000, let's get ourselves a clearer chart. Okay. For US 2000 on the daily time frame, we'll see the bullish move that US 2000 has done for today. Also bordering on the weakness of the dollar, the fact that this US 2000 seems to be heading back to the upside after the major retracement it has done. You can see how that it is respecting and giving us a higher low. okay, giving us a higher low. So a buy is what is advisable, like we have always said. I've always said it's advisable to buy indices from the nearest support. So those are instruments you should actually buy. Those are instruments you can conveniently buy and hold, right? Those are instruments you can conveniently buy and hold. These are what am I saying? I'm trying to say that a better position to hold on this market is a buy trade, right? It's a buy trade. So looking at it right now, I always hope that we have people who, when we come to sessions like this, are already having a buy, already holding a buy trade, already holding a buy trade in the market. You will notice that US 2000 has approached like on 15 minutes and on 30 minutes is close to what they're referring to as a verified resistance. And why? Because if we trace this market backwards from this place where we have marked like this, if we trace this market backward, we'll see that it's a zone where price has been rejected in the past. Look at it here. Look at how price has been rejected here. Look at, if we follow that line backwards, we'll see that it's a place where price has been rejected. Look at, you understand? So it's a strong, it's a resistance point. Even in for 1 hour, my indicator is not stating it. On smaller time frame, it's actually stating it there. Okay, so there is a lot of there's an issue with this place. It means that we need to be careful, right? Most times like this, when I try to analyze this instrument, I rather take a buy limit, right? I always look out for nearest support to look out for a buy limit from that zone there. And those are trades that you can actually hold, and you will be glad you did, because they're likely going to be profitable trades. So apart from buying US 2000 at the top here, I think that if at all, the way these candles are showing some level of pullback, if at all US 2000 will be retracing, a good place for me to join this buy will be from 2034. Okay, a good place for me to join this buy will be from 2034. But there's a good room. There will be a very good room for US 2000 to actually buy. You can start buying US 2000 once it starts trading above 2061. Trade above 2061, you can actually buy to around 2068. Okay, so apart from that 2034, that there's a place where I would like to look out for a buy from. If this buy continues, I can buy from 2061 to 2068. I can buy from 2061 to 2068. From 2061 to 2068. Those are places I can actually look out for. But there's bullish move in the market. US 2000 is on a bullish roll. I'm more comfortable with a buy for US 2000. Okay, I'm more comfortable with a buy. Let's look at US 100. Okay. Okay, good. So what's up with our US 100? US 100 is looking like it's going to make a new high this week. Okay, it's looking like it's going to make a new high this week. Although day before that, 3 trading days ago, US 100 traded like this, an inverted hammer like this, and the next candle was bearish. We should be seeing, technically from US 100, we should be seeing a lot of bearish move in the market. We should be seeing a lot of bearish move. Technically, I would actually be expecting, US 2000, US 30, these guys have made major retracement, but US 100 has not done that. US 100 is yet to do that. So I will be looking out for those kind of retracements in the market. I'm looking at the fact that on the daily time frame, we've had a sell, we've had a confirmation. We could actually have a further sell during this US session. You understand? So for US 100, I can have a sell below this place here. You can see what it did here. Up, 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 made a lower low here. Look at it. From this place, it made a higher low, made another higher low. And then when it came up, instead of it to continue in that structure and give us a higher low, it came down to trade below the last low, broke structure here. So if that sell is going to continue, I can have my sell from 17,980. I know how people are with take profit, but I'm just saying that once price starts selling below 17,980, I should be looking at coming out from 17,950. Okay, I can have my sell at around 17,980, coming out at around 17,950. Okay, had a buy on this place, and now price has formed a kind of verified resistance there. So it's just for you people to know that even we take trades that we have this buy here, and now price has formed the resistance around here. I'm waiting to see if it breaks this particular support. Okay, because of course I'd rather have a buy. But with what it has done on the daily time frame, if this resistance is too strong for it, I think a good price to enter this sell is 17,980 to come out at around 17,950. Okay, and that thing I can do is if price trades above 18,070, if price trades above or closes above 18,070, I can buy to 18,100. If price closes above 18,070, I can buy to around 18,100. If price closes above 18,070, I can buy to around 18,100. But I actually have a sell from 17,980 to around 17,950, looking at the technical build of US100. Now, if it continues and it breaks below this point, you can sell further. Okay, if this can give us profit and can break below this point, you can continue scalping US100 sell. You can continue scalping US100 sell. Let's look at gold. Daily time frame first. Gold has been trading bullish for the most of today. You can see this is the daily time frame right here. You can see how it's been trading bullish. This is a buy that we actually expected the last time we talked last week. Given that the weakness in the dollar, we actually expected a push up like this in the market. But right now, 1 hour, gold seems to be doing some level of retracement after hitting this resistance point like this. After hitting resistance point, if the dollar is going to continue, although right now dollar is pushing up, it's around that this dollar index, so it's around that my downtrend line there like that here. So if it continues that, if it cannot break that point, gold is likely going to gain strength to break above this verified resistance. So if I'm trading gold, I'm also going to look out for 20,045. 20,045 to buy from there to at least 20,050. Yeah, I can buy from that 20,045. If it closes above there, closes, so not buy stop. If it closes above 20,045, I can buy to around 20,054. Okay, if it closes above 20,045, I can buy to around 20,054. I actually expect that bullish move for gold, but I could also have a buy limit around here. I could have a buy limit around here. So I could have my buy limit from 20,024. I could have my buy limit from 2024. I have my buy limit from 2024, and then I hold it to at least 2028. Okay, so you see that it closes above 2025, 2045. It closes above 2045. I can keep buying to around 2054 or 2055. Okay, but I could also have a buy limit from 2024 back to the upside. I could have a buy limit 2024 back to the upside. You understand? Yeah. So for good, I have 2045. Come out at 2054. But I also have a buy limit, or I'm looking out for a buy if it sells down to 2024, 2024.60. I can look out for a buy to the upside. I'm looking at 2028 as profit. Okay. Then look at oil. I'll look at oil WTI today. My RSI setting is just the default setting. Okay. Then so this is oil on 1 hour. You see how much oil has ranged on around this support and resistance zone. This is on the daily time frame. That's range here. And this is what I actually told us some 2 weeks ago, that oil has gotten to a point where it's going to give us some good range. And that's a good opportunity for us. Anybody who was there when we talked about that, I was talking about the fact that the best way to trade oil will be to use buy limit and sell limit, right? There's a high chance that nobody really remembers that conversation. What you remember is the pending orders, right? The entries. So the way we will trade oil, considering the fact that you can see how much oil has been rejecting and has been retracing around this zone here, right? Oil range here, down here, broke structure, went up again, you know, so it's in a point of consistent range, except to have a very strong news that can give us that breakout. You understand? When we get a breakout, we can now look out for taking advantage of the breakout. So look out for a long trade, right? But what I will do for oil, this buy is going to continue. I'll just go in above here because we still have room for price to push up. Can go in for my buy at around 78.25. Look out for my buy from around 78.25 to 78.70. 78.25 to around 78.70. Okay, I can look out for my buy from there. Okay, I can look out for my buy from there, 78.25 to around 78.70. Okay. For my sell, I rather want to take my sell from this proven resistance here. I can look out for my sell from 79.50. I can look out for my sell. That's like a sell limit at around 79.50. Take profit at around 79.00. 79.50. Take profit at around 79.00. 79.00. 79.00. Okay, that's what I would advise. Okay, now let's 330 is almost up. Let's look at one more. Okay, cool. We have USD JPY. You can see that the last time we had a meeting like this, I marked these zones on USD JPY, and it danced around this zone, never really hit take profit. But the truth is, for USD JPY, there's still, no matter how weak the dollar is, JPY is quite weaker right now. JPY is quite weaker right now. And although you have it ranging around this point here, maybe due to the weakness of the dollar, maybe we're going to see some very good retracement for USD JPY. If that's the case, maybe we're going to see that. Okay. But right now, if I'm going to trade USD JPY, considering what we're expecting for USD JPY, considering the fact that this is a place where price has been rejected many times for USD JPY, I feel like this is a good place for me to actually look out for a rejection in price, look out for a sell in price. Let me see if we have any stronger block before that zone. Well, even before this top part like this, we have some other blocks around here. We also have around here where price was rejected, right? We have places like this where price was rejected. So if I'm trading USD JPY, considering the fact that, you know, expecting weakness in the dollar, I could actually have my sell limit from here, from 150.530. I can have my sell limit from there. Look out for 20 pips of profit. Also, if this sell continues, if we get a good sell in the dollar, I could sell from 150.230. I could sell from 150.230 and then look out for around 20 pips of sell. I can look out for around 20 pips of sell. From 150.230, I can look out for around 20 pips of sell, you know, back to the downside. That is if, I mean, the default set, once you open RSI, I don't change anything. That's what default means. Don't change it, just apply it to your chart. That's default setting. You understand? Okay, so I could have my sell limit from 150.530. I could also have a sell from 150.230. Looking out for 20 pips of profit or thereabout, right? Looking out for 20 pips. So let's look at Euro USD is close to, we're not so much on where we, remember that we said we'll look out for a buy if Euro USD sells down to 1.08350. which it has not done, looking like it's going to be rejected. But we also have, if this does not pick our entry, all well and good, we also have 1.08680 from here, for which we intend to take around 20 pips of push up. But we're still watching. We also said that between here and here is still a strong support. This is 15 minutes. Between here and here, it's around 20 pips. It's still a strong support. So even if I have a buy from here too, I can still look out for a further buy. Do you understand? I still look out for a further buy there. For gold, nothing yet. We do not really have much volatility. Let's see. US 100 has done nothing yet. US 100, we have US 100 at 17,980 for a sell. If that sell is going to continue, take profit at 17,950. But we said we could have a buy at 18,070. If price gets to 18,070, we can buy to around 18,100, right? AUD USD, no move yet, but AUD USD, we're looking at buying it from either 0.65220. If it comes down there, we're looking at buying it from there, or buying it from 0.65600. So we're either buying AUD USD from 0.65220 or 0.65600 with 20 pips in mind. 20 pips profit in mind. Why USD CHF? We said we're either going to sell USD CHF from 0.87750. We're either going to sell it from 0.87750 or 0.88200 and still look out for around 20 pips of profit. Okay. US 2000 also, we said for US 2000, you see that we buy it from 2034. Either we'll buy from 2034 or we'll buy from 2061. Buy from 2061, look out for profit at 2068. You understand? Don't really understand how US 30 triggered sell. We did not look at US 30, I think. We didn't look at US 30. Okay. USD JPY. What do we say about USD JPY? We gave USD JPY for a sell limit. We said we'll sell if USD JPY buys to 150.530. We'll sell from there. We'll sell from there if it buys to 150.530. We could also look out for a sell from 150.230. In both cases, we're looking for at least 20 pips of profit. At least 20 pips of profit. Okay. Please, by way of announcement for our people in Warri, we will be with you in Warri on Thursday by 10 a.m. We'll be at Jubilee Hotel. Jubilee Hotel on Thursday by 10 a.m. I think that's at Enehen Road. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correct. Enehen Road, number 5 Enehen Road. We'll be talking about the AI Invasion Conference. Talk about how you can learn trading with the use of artificial intelligence. Okay, or expert advisors. So make sure you're there. And for our guys at Ibadan, guys, we told you that we'll begin to branch out, as time goes on. For our guys at Ibadan, I will be there physically at Ibadan. So if you are in Ibadan, join us on the 1st of March. That's this Friday. Join us on the 1st of March, and we'll be talking about we'll be having some very interesting training sessions at Ibadan. The 1st of March by 10 a.m. at our office. Okay, our office, our Ibadan office. So join us. We have plans in the month of March. I'll be moving and we'll be coming to Ibadan, Oshogbo, Warri, Delta, everywhere. Okay, so just expect us. Just expect us. Oshogbo, we are coming. Oshogbo. For Ibadan, it's our Ibadan office. That's where we'll be holding it. Ibadan office starts at Akinyemi Way. Yeah, Akinyemi Way. That's Ring Road. We'll be on our office at 2nd floor, Owade House. Okay, so that's where we will be in. Okay, so not so much move yet. US 100 is just retracing from. We will come. We go come PH2. Okay, we're coming to Oshogbo too. I really wish that Euro USD could take this our trade, but just watch. If this candle also closes bullish, this 15 minutes candle, if it closes bullish, we could still scalp a buy on Euro USD. Very possible that we have that bullish move on Euro USD. Gold also, look at how gold close very bullish. Gold close very bullish, like a bullish engulfing. So could actually it's not bad to expect this push up in the market. So you can actually scalp a buy on gold. Okay, you can scalp a buy on gold. We just dropped access to the YouTube channel. Sorry, to our WhatsApp channel, and flyer on the training, just to explain it properly to you. Okay. Okay, guys. This is much we will take. Please let me also state this by 4 p.m. we're having a news. This is the kind of news that you just wait. Consumer confidence. 4 p.m. check Forex Factory. If that data comes out negative for the dollar, then don't even wait. Just go into actually sell the dollar. That means buying Euro USD. Buying Euro USD. If the dollar is weak, if the dollar is weak, buying Euro USD, buying AUD USD, and all the likes. Okay, if consumer confidence comes out by 4. But we all have our entries to watch out for. Any other information, we will actually give it to us on the WhatsApp channel. But for now, thank you so much. Don't forget to join us with the same link by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Okay, 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. But this is the much that we can take today. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you. Bye for now.